Hi and welcome back. I am very excited because just about 5 minutes ago my X5 was delivered at my doorstep, and let's see what they sent back. Oh wow, very nice. Okay, so this over here was an add-on that I bought. It didn't come with the camera, and when I sent it in, I forgot to take it off and I left it on and they replaced it. I wasn't expecting that. I thought I was going to have to buy that again. You can see here that I bought it back on July 8th and the price is now $19.99. They included this as part of my replacement. And here's a replacement camera that they provided. And I just checked the serial number and it is not the same serial number. So I think it's safe to assume that they provided a brand new camera. I just compared the serial number in the camera to the box and it's the same. So I think it's a fair assumption to make that this is a brand new X5. Throw in the memory card. I've been using the 512 and for what I've been doing, it's been more than enough. Okay. I haven't had it for a while, but it feels lighter. That's just gotta be me though. Pretty sure that's just me. Before I use the camera, I'm definitely going to put the premium guards back on there. Hopefully they have those in stock at Best Buy and I'll go pick them up today. Otherwise I can just order them on Amazon. These aren't cheap. Wow, it looks like they actually went up in price. I think they used to be $29.99, now they're $34.99. And oh wow, they have overnight delivery. I could actually have these by tomorrow. Best Buy does have them. Same price, $34.99, and I could pick up in 1 hour. Okay, I just ordered these and I'll pick them up in 1 hour. And I'll put the screen protector on and we'll be back in business with my X5. And now that it cooled down and the thunderstorms are gone, I'll start writing my Sur this week again and we'll get more 360 videos. In total it took about 8 days for the turnaround on the camera. They gave me a new one. You saw how damaged and scuffed up the other one was, but it still worked. If I hadn't bought the FlexiCare plan, I would have just kept it and I would have been carrying around a brand new camera that was scuffed on the corners, and now I'm back to a brand new one. This does not look like a refurbished camera, but I'll look more into it, find out more details, but to me this looks like a brand new camera. They didn't take my old one and replace the parts on it, which I think they could have done that. Instead, they send me a replacement. If you ever have to put in a claim for an Insta360 product, I hope this was helpful. The previous videos showed the progress from submitting the claim to shipping it, to responding to their email, to making a payment to the claim, and then finally receiving the replacement or repair. I welcome any questions in the comments. And as always, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.